Hi there. So today we will do a review of Closer Copy in my copywriting review series. If you find this video helpful and you enjoy the content, give it a thumbs up. And if you like to be notified of other copywriting review that I will do, please subscribe to the channel. So what we will see in this review series. So in this review series, we will see copywriting software like Lead Script, Closer Copy, Automatic Script, and Instant Script. So basically, I'm trying to review all this software. These software are mainly pro version, enterprise version, except Instant Script. And also these are most of all have a one-time fee versus a monthly fee, except Instant Script also that is a monthly recurring fee. So what we are looking at, we will look at the style of the app. So each app have its own style, could be more acts to text editor or wizard or question based. So we will look at this. The type of content, category, subcategory that are giving to us with the number of content. Overall walkthrough. So easy to use, training, that kind of stuff that we have in this software. Special feature that other software don't have. Special targeted platform that they may have, Facebook, Google, Instagram. And also if they have preset product variable, which is a nice feature if you're writing copy for multiple software. We are also looking at the exporting content option. So some are giving you only clipboard access, others are giving us document export. So we'll see that. Buying process. So what was in the sell funnel, the OTOs, the bonus. So what you get and what you will experience in the buying process, and the final verdict. So stay tuned to the end of this video to see the overall verdict of each version of the software. I will also do a separate video that you will find in the link below or in a card above, looking at all the 4 software side by side and comparing each other so you can have an easier decision to which software you take. So the objective is to help you in your buying decision like it was for me that I was trying to do. So let's get into it. Review of Closer Copy. So the main highlight of this product, it is that this is a text editor style software. So some software of copywriting are more question based. So they ask you question and they fill out the blanks. And this one is more a text oriented. So you will always be basically working in the text editor software. We are having actually sales letter, ads, copy, email copy, even calls copy, cold calls copy. So it's a good variety of style of copy that we get. They have also a personal creator, which is actually only available in the pro version, that lets you build your own custom template that you can start working on with actually. We have also that this software manage the copy in a project style. So you will see in the demonstration that we have a main project and we have documents that is stored below this project. So let's go to the overview. So we are now in the dashboard of a Closer Copy. As you can see here, you have the search box that I will actually search only in the content that is here. I only found one software that is searching into the content of the copy. All the others are basically searching in the title and in the description. You will have here your main menu to access your account, where you see the level of subscription that you have, for example, lifetime. You will have also the logout here, and you can go to the dashboard. If we see here, you can add new projects. So you can choose, for example, the name of the software. So let me choose Microsoft Word. And you can add a comment here that will be displayed below. So when you get a new project, you can delete, edit the title, or make a copy of all the document that's in it. And if you want, then you can go to open the project and you can add new document. So this is pretty straightforward. That's probably why we don't have any, but we have a small help here, but we don't have really a video help in this software. If we create a new document, it will ask to the document name. So for example, let's say, and you can add also a description. Same thing here, you have the option to move the document to another project, to delete it, to edit the title, or to make a copy of it. Could be great here if they have a title, a tooltip over the icon, it will be easier to work. So when you create, after you create a new document, you can open the document, and this is where you have more of a kind of a style. When I was saying actually a text editor style, this is what I was talking about. So you jump into a document. From there, you will have able to select template. So you have an helper here that will give you advice on what you want to do and the structure and the type actually of sales letter that you want to make. After that, the structure of it. So this is great, but it's always a blank page, and you go from there. You will have also, so this is this template here. This is a special feature of this software, because this software has the unique feature of analysis here, where you have the emotional insight, the spam insight, keyword insight, and sentence insight. So it's giving you actually metrics about your copy. So for example, we'll look at this a bit later. Here we have the tool, so the headline generator. So you will see here, they will give you a few copies, 4 to 10 questions to generate headlines. And you can then select the headline and add it to your document. So like that. So this is pretty straightforward. When you did this, actually, you have here, you're able to replace this headline with other headlines. So these are all the headlines that are able to be replaced by, actually. So I can click here and replace, and it will replace the headline. So this is a nice behavior of the software. We have here the headline generator. Here we have power word, sensory word, thesaurus. So these three here, this software is really acts on the focus on wording. So we don't see actually these power words, thesaurus and thesaurus in other software that I have in my review series. So that could be also interesting. So you see, you have the category of what type of emotion that is related to the power word, and you can add the power words to your copy actually when you want, like here. Even if this now it doesn't make sense. So here we have another interesting feature of the software. Only this software is having this kind of feature. It's a share access, so you can collaborate actually on a copy with other people inside of Closer Copy. And finally, this is to create a template. So this is one of the features that I told you in the highlights. So a few software lets you create template that you will start from actually. On the other side of the interface, you have here the copy wizard. So the copy wizard is probably where you will want to start generally to work, because it's kind of bringing together what we find in the template here. So you can come here, for example, the story. You see a small description here. So I want to write the story style. And then you will have a 6th step where you define the headline. You go next, you define the intro, and you get here some advice. So you see here, you go next, you will define the backstory. Again, you get advice and you can read more like that. Go next, the discovery. So this is interesting because actually they give you more insight on what the copy should look like. So this is an interesting context that this software gives. It's one of the advantage of it. Again, and we will finish it. And when you finish it, as you can see now, so this was my first one, so I can probably remove this one. You see, this was not interesting, so I will keep this one here. So you see here my copy. You see the highlight word that you can change and update to make it your own for your copy. And that's it for actually the templates. So you can hear, like I showed you here, you can replace the heading. These are fixed, so we have no replacement to it, but it's still pretty interesting. This is having advice on off, so actually it will give you advice or not, as you can see here. This is for the highlights. This is for having kind of a in focus, full screen, more mode. And here's when you download the final product and the start tour. So this is how you get some help going next around the interface. So if we look, we will come back to look later on other things. So here you will have the formatting option, clear and print edit, paste, format, tools. So the same tools that we see on the left, preview. So these are the preview. They will not work for actually long sales letter, but when you do a Google ad or Facebook ad, it kind of a preview of the look of the Google ad, but since it's a way too long ad, you will not see the total copy of it. So if we want to go back, we come back here to the dashboard and let's back to the review. So if we look at the software as a whole, so for each software I have put some criteria and I have make the countdown, or actually the number of style that we have or the model that we have on each. So for closer copy, sales letter, we have 5 sales letter. Actually what is nice is that writing advice in context and structure. We have copy, email copy, sequence or single. Actually this is mainly single email. We have 28. Ads template, Facebook or Google. We have 10 Facebook ads and 1 for Google. Phone call, we have 1 template for that. Website, we have 1 template for that, but it's a wizard kind of things, and it's actually mainly reference page, like return page, about page, terms page. So it's more like the support page that you may have on your website. Now looking, we have headline generator. The headline generators have more than 110. They are based on 4 to 11 questions. We have no subheadline, no opening, no bullet list, no CTA generator or text. We have no order bump, no upsells, no paragraph generator, survey generator or testimonials. These are all there because actually I have made the 4 reviews of the product on the same basis. So that's why they all have the same evaluation sheet actually. Webinar promotion information, so no. Product preset or variable, I said no because actually only a single part of the software, which is the headline, has a preset. But it's not like the other software where we have actually multiple selected presets. And we can export to PDF, Word or HTML the content of closer copy. So the special feature of this product is the copy wizard. As you saw in the previous demonstration, we have sales letter, email, ads, call, website. We choose the big category, and now after that they give us steps to fill out and having our latest copy. Also we have the in-page information and guidelines. So we have copywriting advice on the content and the structure. So they gave us the step to create things. So this is interesting from this product. We have the analysis emotional tools, like emotional spam, sentence, keyword insight. So this is a paying version. So it's the pro version, I will say. So we have 2 versions, and the pro version has this feature inside in it. We will see this in a few moments. We have also power words, sensory words. So these also are the special feature of this product in opposition to the other. And we have the collaborative writing, but we need to have both a paying account. So this is kind of a tricky part actually from this software. So it's an interesting feature, But since you're like kind of forced to have your collaborative writing in the pro version also, or at least, I'm not sure, I didn't test it. It may be the standard version also, but we think it's a pro version. This is kind of a bit sad. So let's go through and see the special feature. So if I come back in my long sales letter, if I open it again, we will be able to here to do the analysis. So this is interesting what is do. So you see here that the copy has a positive sentiment. You see enjoyable, sad, angry, surprised. So actually they are analyzing the word. It is probably based on the power word table that we saw earlier. But depending on the word, they find the emotion below or behind the text. We have also the spam insight, which is in beta currently. So maybe spam. So this kind of, actually I didn't find something that was not maybe spam. So we'll see how it goes. Still in beta. The sentence is interesting because actually it's saying that 10 to 16 words is the more relaxing to read. So they give you a score on each sentence of your text to see if this is a great sentence to read or too heavy. Like this one is a very long sentence. So that's one to probably work on it actually. And finally, keyword insight. So this is more for the keyword density. So you will see the more repeated keyword and you will be able probably to adjust and correct to have something that is between 2 or 3 of your percent of the text for your main keyword. So you see that this software is mainly acts to writing copy as a long form, like writing web copy, page web, that kind of web page, more than having buzzword or heading. It's more kind of a writing a document than having a generator, a list of generator to create copy from. So this is it for now. We'll go back to the review. So if I go back, funnel review. So here I will show you what we saw in the buying process. Hello there. So today I'm going to review or to look at actually the funnel for closer copy. So as you can see here, if we play a bit around, you can see that you can have this % off if you subscribe to the mailing list. So I will use my code for that. So looking at what they offering, so we see here some sales copy. We have successful business. So it's a pretty straightforward. You have a small survey, the different options. So as usual, giving up, study yourself or hire a pro. And the final solution will be a closer copy. So we have proven template, written advice. So we will see how this is working in the test. But right now what I'm looking, it's the big main feature of this. So right now actually I'm using a lifetime special. We will see, and I have also a 30-day money back guarantee. So that is great. This is important when you buy product. I have still 4 days left, and this timer seems to be a real timer since it's actually it was 15 day. It's going down. So I think it's a pretty real timer. Looking here, we have two package for the lifetime. We have like template library, it's okay, writing advice, drag and drop. The difference on the two package are copy emotion analysis. So reveal the emotion of your copy that convey to match your intent message. We'll see that. Copy spam analysis, beta, okay. Copy sentence analysis. So copy spam analysis, use AI technology to quickly reveal if your copy will get lost in spam. Okay, that could be interesting. Copy sentence, break down the complexity of your sentence and see exactly how to make. So the the professional package, which is actually like $50 more, $40 more, will have actually a bit more advanced features. They are interesting actually, and since I am actually testing the enterprise version of another product, I will get the professional to check the best of the line and also to see if you help you to define if you want that kind of level of software. So no upsell, no downsell guarantee. So this is interesting. So the sales funnel will be straightforward. So writing device, copy, add preview, download. So these are the things that we have a bit more since we are with the pro version. If I go back here to look at these, so copy, sentence analysis, break down the complexity, I read that. Copy, keyword analysis, analyze and refine keyword distribution within your copy to max out SEO result. That's nice. Custom template builder, build a custom template builder, build a personal drag and drop swipe file by crafting your own template. I see that also in another one. Collaborative writing. Okay, so we will try that, and we'll try also two things are certain. Go back to the plan, and we will secure our offer. So now we are asking my name. So I fill out the form and click pay now. I should have a place to write the coupon code. So we'll see if, okay, so purchase professional lifetime access. You're located Canada. So they asking me for secure payment, the place where I'm meeting. So you see, oh, add a coupon. So I can add a coupon here at this step. So I think it's closer 10. We'll look at it. So I buy one, I can add the coupon here. So it's closer 10 will give me $10 less. So $14 actually. Pay by card, pay by PayPal. So I will pay by card. So perfect. So I end up actually directly into the product, which is pretty nice. I have a closer copy, your shortcut to marketing sales, open project. So I can do project, I can search. So I'm done. So as if we look at the pricing, so actually the price that I had was actually $147 minus 10% off, but it was a one-time price, and usually they will sell like $49 per month or $400 80 per year. So it's probably a pretty good deal if we are going into this route. So hope it's helped, and I will get back to you with the review of Closer Copy. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye. So the funnel, as we see, of this product was, the normal price is between $39.99 to $49.99. This is what you can see on the website. We add a one-time price of $97 for the standard version, and the Pro one $147. So the Pro was giving all the things that like analysis tool, collaborative with other people that need also to have a version of the software. They cannot just get the login to be able to collaborate. They have to pay for it. If you opt into their mailing list, you will have a coupon code of 10% off. So that could be interesting to have it. They have no upsell or no downsell, and they offer a 30 money back guarantee. So this is all great, and it's displayed on the website. So it should not have problem if you don't feel that the software work well for you. So the final verdict is that I find it great for beginner needing to copy advice, since it's giving you like context, structure. So it's great for that. You need to like the editor style, so the more long form. Personally, I was feeling it was more like a blank page syndrome starting from. So it's not quite sure that it's what I need. So I will still have to look around and find probably the software that better fit my needs. you have less content generation tools. So if you're more in the mood of creating a landing page, where you will have, for example, a header, a sub-header, kind with you can do with GrooveFunnel and have a sales funnels. This is this kind of software I think you may be looking for, because it's more of creating copy content than creating headlines and sentence-like content. The Pro version have interesting feature like the analysis tool. So these are the main point. I hope you are enjoying this copy software review. If you're still looking for a page builder, or actually a suite of tools that will let you build and grow your online presence, look at the recommended software builder below, and I will send you more information about it. So hope you enjoy this review. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of the future thing that I post on my channel, subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoy it and have a great day. Bye bye.